crippled boy would never rise. They mocked the prince who crawled beneath the skies.
7 years he touched the ground,
but destiny cannot be drowned. Samari Jaga, born in the rain. The courtiers laughed, but the prophecy remained. Sasuma's son stood tall while he crawled in the dirt. But the deeper the wound, the stronger the spirit it hurts. The iron rod they brought him, he bent it with his will. The ground shook underneath when the crippled boy stood still. The lion rises, the lion